North Durban City 2 Orlando Pirates. Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngegame ade idlalwa between iOrlando Pirates versus iDurban City. Ade kuyigame emnandikile bafethu indlela eyisimanga ngoba ibhola namhlanje sibone ama team awu2 ade siwabona ade funa ukuwina ngempela. Yabo even dona ke iDurban City engakwazanga ukuthi uthole u3 points, engakwazanga futhi ukuthi ikore against Orlando Pirates. Okuyi Orlando Pirates le on form. So ngizokhuluma ama positives nama negatives ale game le. Yabo uthi Orlando Pirates i-approach kanjani le game, idlale kanjani. Yabo ade ngileke kule game le ingakho ngizoshaya i-video leti kanje ngixolise nje kakhulu bafethu. Ade kumnandi indlela eyisimanga e-stadium ngibona abadlali. Jabulisile ukubona ubani uMakhehleni Makhaola, Olisandade ngagcina umbona umjida simbonile bafethu. Abajida babuyile and ba-healed. So ngizoqala nge-approach ya coach. Yabo i-approach ya coach namhlanje I didn't think uMbokazi uzoqala namhlanje. Yabo I thought uMbokazi ngiyazi aqale because yabo niyazazi indaba ye-surrounding uMbokazi. Yabo mase kuthi eswini uNemtajela, Maswanganye, mase uthi Talent Mbatha playing as that number 6. Mase kuthi phambili Moremi, Mfukeng and Makgopa, Evidence Makgopa. The usual starting 11 bafethu, nothing serious, nothing fancy, just quality nje bafethu. Abajida bangidlalelile mina ibhola namhlanje. Bangidlalelile ibhola namhlanje. Yabona futhi ngizoqala nje ngondaba uyena mdlali lo engajwayele uqala ngaye. Yabona uNdaba namhlanje bafethu. Yabona uNdaba into ayenze namhlanje. Usimentile iposition yakhe lapha ku starting 11. Yabo I'm not saying umjida uzoqala each and every game now. No. Engishoyo unikeze ucoach ithemba lokuthi amfake more often. Yabo akekho umdlali onesikhala lapha ku scheme Orlando Pirates. Akekho umdlali onendawo because meke wenza umsangano uyadonsa ubeke ebenchini. Look at uDion Hot udlale kahle kakhulu against Chippa United, but kule game le eDurban City ubese benchini. Yabo akekho umuntu onendawo. Just play your perfect football, ucoach uzoqhubeka select. Even though ungadlala kahle, but kumele sinikeze abanye abafana ithuba. uNdaba namhlanje bafethu. For me, ube khona kuma contenders man of the match. Umjida for me ungidlalele kahle. Another player who played very good, uThabiso Libito. Ama wing backs ethu namhlanje abesebenza kanzima. If you watched iDurban City indlela adlala ngakhona. iDurban City namhlanje bafethu kube bekuya ngayo ukube abadlali bayo bebe serious ngabe bayiwinile le game. To be honest, babe nama chances amaningi kakhulu ukuthi bayibulale Orlando Pirates. Yabo babe nama chances amaningi. Sibe nje neqiniso, we had couple of mistakes. Not even couple, I think we had like 4 mistakes at the back. Yabo nge-first half angazi bekwenze njani mhlawumbe abajida bebetatazela Sibisi with uMbokazi. Yabo I don't know bekwenze njani namhlanje, but ke abajida they managed. Yabo even though bekunzima they managed, because it's a big thing to keep a clean sheet away from home. Keeping a clean sheet away from home is a big thing. Yabo mase siza lapha eswini ke for me, I don't wanna be that guy, but eswini namhlanje iqale ukushintsha igame. Sesintroduce uMakhehleni Makhaola, because you saw uMakhehleni Makhaola esedropper esezodlala number 6, saphusha uMbatha esedlala phambi kwaMakhehleni Makhaola edlala with uTito Maswanganye. We saw i-engine leya Jose Riviera. Umukhumbula kahle ke engine esijwayele ukudlala ngayo last season. Sajwayele ukudlala ngoTito mase kuba uMakhehleni noMbatha. Ibona abadlali bebekwazi ukconnecta kahle. Isibuyile ke engine Jose Riviera. Mase niyibone nje i-second half yethu indlela ebesifunctiona ngakhona, indlela ebesimove ngakhona ibhola. You saw a different Orlando Pirates second half. I hope umjida uNemtajela uzokwazi ukuthi akhuphula amasokisi. Umjida naye udlale kahle namhlanje, but kumele akhuphula amasokisi, because when you see an engine that was very functioning last season, ifunctiona kanje nge-second half against iDurban City, you must question yourself ukuthi kahle mina mengizoqhubeka ngidlale kanje ngizoba naso yini isikhala sokuthi ngiqhubeke ngidlale. Even though coach eqalisa each and every game, there are people who are watching the game, there are people who are criticizing the game, and now as a player you must shut those people up. Yabo umjida for me ungidlalele kahle, but ke sithe seshintsha second half, we had control of the game. Yabo nomdlali number 17 weDurban City ubalwa umdlali wena bafethu. Yazi lo mdlali bafethu, heyibo uyena beno Hashim Domingo bebe heyibo yabo eswini alabajida bayaliginqa ibhola. Yabo bayaliginqa ibhola namhlanje. Ngibonile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ibisenkingeni. Lo mfana lo kumele senze show ukuthi senza something ngaye. Asikwazi phela ukuzodlala umfana omncane nje. Ube mncane phela lo mfana. Nimbonile kodwa uMakhehleni Makhaola. Nimbonile uMakhehleni Makhaola bafethu. Hayibo uMakhehleni Makhaola. Makhehleni Makhawula lela 2K ngiyalazi bafethu lela 2K lo Makhehle azi Makhehleni mfethu heyibo ngempela ukuthi ade ngekho umjida kuyabonakala ngempela ukuthi ade ngekho ubuyile umjida izinto yisazoshintsha ngempela yabona ke manje njengoba sesu number 1 Orlando Pirates isu number 1 izinto izoshintsha kakhulu.